Okay, how to run meta ads in 2025. These are my top tips and tricks. You gotta believe me because I got the meta sweatshirt on. Let's go. Okay, so tip number one is to test value optimization, and then secondly, test target ROAS. To find value optimization, it's at the ad set level. You select under performance goal, choose value, and what's nice is now you can also include 1 day click and 1 day view. Initially, it was only 7 day click. To find target ROAS, it's in the same place as value optimization at the ad set level. You just scroll a bit further down and then you'll see ROAS goal and you can select anything that you want. So in this example, in the screenshot, I've put a ROAS goal of 1.6. So technically whatever budget you put over this length of your attribution window, whether it's 1 day click or 7 day click, Meta will only spend the budget if it thinks it can hit a 1.6 ROAS. It's not always consistent. Sometimes it hits a lower ROAS, sometimes it hits a bit higher. But on average, if I look over a few weeks, it'll be around 1.6, which is nice. So it's definitely a good way to test. You won't blow through the budget. Okay, tip number two is partnership ads. I didn't believe it. Meta has been saying it for a few years now, but it's finally working really well across different brands where I'm running it. I have another video on how to set it up. There's 3 different ways, so just watch that if you're interested. I'll link it in the comments below. But even if you can't find creator, the size of the creator doesn't matter. It can be a micro influencer. A lot of times what brands are doing is they're just using a social media manager or someone who works at the brand, because you just need it to look like it's coming from someone else, and you can dark post it, upload the video, so it doesn't even need to live on the actual feed, which is awesome. But yeah, seeing way better click-through rates, better conversion rates, better ROAS. Overall, it almost seems to be finding a different audience within our audiences, which is awesome. So highly recommend that. That's tip number two. Okay, tip number three is to run catalog ads, especially if you have more than like 30, 40 SKUs. I would definitely run them. You can also run catalog ads with target ROAS in either an ASC, Advantage Plus shopping campaign, or just a manual campaign. It's like Daba, which it was dynamic ads, broad audiences. So there's 2 ways to run it, but I've been finding success combining catalog ads with target ROAS, especially if you have more than 50 or 100 SKUs. So it works really well for fashion brands, jewelry brands, apparel, things like that. Another little thing you can do is also add the catalog at the ad level and essentially make any ad a collection ad. And then in the breakdown, you can see how many people are clicking the products that you've added. So you can make different sets or just have all products in that catalog. Okay, I'm going to make a part 2 soon that has even more tips and tricks. Let me know if you have any questions about the top 3 that I shared now. But subscribe to my channel and then make sure you watch the next video that's coming soon. Thanks.